Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best H4 LED headlights for your car. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or running errands, having a good set of headlights can make all the difference. Nobody wants to be stuck with those dim yellow halogen headlights. That's why we're talking about LED headlights today. They're brighter, last longer, and just look way cooler. If you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's lighting, you won't want to miss this list. I've scoured the market and put together a list of the top contenders, all based on real-world performance, reliability, and value for your money. Stick around until the end for the number 1 pick. You'll definitely want to see this one. Trust me, after watching this video, you'll be ready to ditch those old halogens and upgrade to the future of automotive lighting. First up at number 5, let's talk about the Fahren H4/9003/HB2 LED headlight bulbs. These bad boys are all about taking your night driving experience to a whole new level. These Fahren LEDs pack a serious punch, boasting a whopping 300% more brightness than those tired old halogen bulbs. The Fahren LEDs provide a super crisp, clean white light that illuminates the road with incredible clarity. Think about those backcountry roads with no street lights. That's where these really shine. You'll be able to see every twist and turn, every pothole and deer, long before you get to them. One of the things I love about these bulbs is their impressive lifespan. We're talking over 50,000 hours of use. Now I know what you're thinking. All that brightness must mean they get super hot, right? Wrong. The Fahren H4 LEDs feature an intelligent cooling system that keeps them running at optimal temperatures. No more worrying about overheating or premature burnout. So, who are these Fahren LEDs perfect for? Well, anyone who spends a lot of time driving at night. Truckers, commuters, road trippers. These are your new best friends. If you're looking for maximum brightness, superior visibility, and long-lasting performance, you need to check out the Fahren H4/9003/HB2 LED headlight bulbs. Trust me, your eyes will thank you. Next up at number 4, we've got the SEALIGHT H4/9003 LED headlight bulbs. These bulbs are all about making your life easier without compromising on performance. One of the biggest headaches with upgrading headlights is the installation process. That's where the SEALIGHTs come in. These bulbs are designed for plug-and-play installation, meaning they're incredibly easy to install. Seriously, you can have these up and running in minutes, even if you're not exactly a car whiz. They're designed to fit directly into your existing headlight housings without any modifications. Just pop out the old bulbs, plug in the SEALIGHTs, and you're good to go. But don't let the easy installation fool you. These bulbs are no slouches when it comes to performance. They deliver a powerful, bright beam that significantly improves visibility on the road. Everything is clearer, sharper, and just plain easier to see. And just like our previous contender, the SEALIGHTs feature an excellent cooling system that ensures optimal performance and a long lifespan. They've got these built-in fans that keep the bulbs cool, even during extended use. This not only prevents overheating but also ensures that you get the most out of your investment. They're a fantastic option for anyone who wants a hassle-free upgrade without sacrificing quality or reliability. If you're looking for a quick, easy, and effective way to enhance your car's lighting, look no further than the SEALIGHT H4/9003 LED headlight bulbs. At number 3, we have the BEAMTECH H4 LED headlight bulbs. Now let's talk about safety. When it comes to driving, safety should always be your number 1 priority, and the BEAMTECH H4 LED headlight bulbs take that to heart. These bulbs are engineered with a focus on both safety and performance, making them an excellent choice for drivers who demand the best of both worlds. One of the standout features of the BEAMTECHs is their precise beam pattern. Unlike some LED bulbs that scatter light everywhere, the BEAMTECHs produce a focused, concentrated beam that illuminates the road ahead without blinding oncoming traffic. This is crucial for safe night driving. You get to see better without impairing the vision of other drivers. And speaking of seeing better, the BEAMTECHs deliver an exceptionally bright and clear light that enhances visibility in all driving conditions. Whether you're navigating dark country roads or dealing with heavy rain or fog, these bulbs will cut through the darkness and provide you with the clarity you need to stay safe. The BEAMTECHs are also designed for durability. They're built to withstand the rigors of everyday driving, from potholes and bumps to extreme temperatures and weather conditions. I highly recommend the BEAMTECH H4 LED headlight bulbs to anyone who prioritizes safety without compromising on performance. They offer a winning combination of a precise beam pattern, superior brightness, and long-lasting durability, making them a smart investment for any car owner. At number 2 we have the AUXITO H4/9003 LED headlight bulbs. One of the most frustrating things about upgrading car parts is compatibility issues. You find a product that looks amazing, only to discover that it's not compatible with your car. Well, the AUXITO H4/9003 LED headlight bulbs are here to eliminate that frustration. These bulbs are designed with universal compatibility in mind. They're engineered to fit a wide range of vehicles without any modifications or special adapters. Whether you drive a sleek sports car, a rugged truck, or a reliable family sedan, chances are the AUXITOs will fit right in. But it's not just about compatibility. The AUXITOs also excel in performance. They provide a significant improvement in brightness and clarity compared to those stock halogen bulbs. You'll experience a noticeable difference in how well you can see the road, especially at night and in challenging weather conditions. The AUXITOs strike a great balance between brightness and focus, ensuring that you get ample illumination without blinding other drivers. This makes them a great choice for drivers who prioritize both visibility and safety. The AUXITOs are built to last. If you're tired of compatibility headaches and looking for a reliable, high-performing LED upgrade that's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, the AUXITO H4/9003 LED headlight bulbs are definitely worth checking out. And now for the moment you've all been waiting for, our number 1 pick for the best H4 LED headlight bulbs. Drumroll please. It's the HIKARI H4/9003 LED headlight bulbs. These bulbs are in a league of their own, consistently topping the charts and winning the hearts of car enthusiasts everywhere. So, what makes the HIKARI so special? Well, it all comes down to their unwavering commitment to quality, performance, and innovation. These bulbs are crafted with meticulous attention to detail, using only the highest grade LEDs and components available. The result? An exceptional lighting experience that's unmatched in the industry. We're talking about an incredibly bright, crisp, and white light that transforms your night driving experience. It's like having your own personal spotlight on the road, illuminating every detail with stunning clarity. The HIKARIs also boast a superior beam pattern that's designed to maximize visibility without causing glare for oncoming traffic. They achieve this through their advanced LED chip placement and reflector design, which ensures that the light is directed precisely where you need it. The HIKARIs are built to withstand the test of time. They feature a robust heatsink design and an intelligent cooling system that prevents overheating and ensures a long lifespan. These bulbs are designed to go the distance, providing you with years of reliable performance. If you're serious about upgrading your car's lighting and demanding the absolute best in terms of quality, performance, and longevity, the HIKARI H4/9003 LED headlight bulbs are the clear choice. They're worth every penny. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment with your thoughts, and check the links in the description below for the best deals on these amazing H4 LED headlights. Upgrading your headlights is one of the easiest and most effective ways to improve your driving experience, especially at night. Not only will you see the road better, but you'll also make your car more visible to other drivers, which is a major plus for safety. Upgrade to the future of automotive lighting and experience the difference. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.